two of the main reasons why people are terrified of buying a Samsung phone right now is this and this. But how does this happen and how can you avoid it? Let's dive in. Here is the plot twist. Samsung is the king of display manufacturing. If you are holding a phone with an OLED screen, either it's an iPhone, a Xiaomi phone, Oppo phone, OnePlus, Google Pixel, chances are Samsung manufactured the screen. Around the release of the Galaxy S20 series up to the S23, something went wrong. Users started noticing permanent green and pink lines on their displays. This typically happens after software update. Now, Samsung did offer replacement in several countries, notably in India. But if you are out of warranty, like I was when it happened to me, OYO, on your own. And because Samsung supplies everyone else, a lot of brands also got it. You all remember the iPhone 13 Pro Max green screen of death, right? Yeah, same family problem. So why does the software update kill your screen? It's actually a mixture of two things: physical wear and extreme heat. What actually happens? The flexible ribbon cable connecting the screen to the motherboard sits right near components that get incredibly hot during major software updates. If your phone has taken a couple of accidental hits during its lifespan, that intense heat expands the materials and permanently degrades or breaks the connection. Hmm. Instant green light. So how do you prevent this from happening? Well, if you have either of the S24, S25, or S26 series, you are fine. If you don't, rule number one, you take case on that phone. Now, every time you drop your phone, you weaken the screen. So putting a case on it will help you. Rule number two, please don't update your phone while you are charging it. In fact, if you want to update your phone, you'll probably be better updating it in an air-conditioned room or in front of a fan. If I had known, I would have probably updated my own S22 Ultra in the fridge. No, I play. I'm just joking. Dear Samsung, I would really appreciate if you can help me fix this phone. You know I'm your biggest fan. Please. If you've ever suffered the green or pink line of death, please let me know in the comment section. Also, like, share, and follow for more tech tips. My name is Bola Kale. Catch you on the next one.